Lesson 15 4th grade worksheet, and today what we'll be covering is multiplication, division, subtracting, and some more problems. So let's start with some multiplication problems. So to start off, we have 23 23 times 12, so let's do 23 times 12. And then you got to do the ones first. 6, 4, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 4, 1 times 3, you have to add the 0, and then 2, 3, and then 1 times 2, 2, and that should give you 276 for the first one. And I'm only going to do 3 problems because this one takes quite a bit. So let's do number 5. 40 times 23, 3 times 0, that's going to be 0, 3 times 4, that's 12, and then 2 times 0, that's 0, 0, and then 2 times 4, 8, so 800 plus 120, that's going to give you 920 for number 5. And then moving on, let's do number 11. 33 times 19, 3 times 9, 27, 3 times 9 again, 27, and added, 297, 10 times 33, which is going to be 333, and adding these all together should give you 627 as your answer for number 11. Let's do division. We're going to do finding the quotient. So this is going to give us a remainder. So let's do 99 times 18 first. So let's see how many 18s can go inside 99. I think 5 can. So let's do 18 times 5. 18 times 5 should give you 4. That should give you 90. So 99 minus 90 is going to give you 9. So you're going to get 5, remainder 9. And then let's move on and do number 6. 82 divided by 21. I think for this one, 82 divided by 21, we should have, I think 3 can go inside. So 21 times 3, that would be 3, 6, so 63. So 82 minus 63, what would that be? That would give a remainder of 19. So we would get 3, remainder 19. And then moving on, we'll do 11. 813 divided by 91, and let's say how many 91s can go inside. I think 8 can, so 91 times 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 9, that's going to be 72, that's going to give you 728, so 8 minus 728, and then we'll subtract, and we should get around 85. And we know that 91 can go inside 85, so we know that the answer is going to be 8, remainder 85. Moving on, we'll do some subtraction. These ones are quite simple, so I'm only going to do 3. So 2,316 minus 12,300. So you're going to do 6 minus 3, 3, 1 minus 1, that's going to be 0. 3 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 1. So that's going to be 1,103. And then moving on, let's do 4. 1261 minus 1159, and so we got to carry this over. 11 minus 9, 2 minus 5, that's going to be 0. 2 minus 1, that's going to be 1, so this is going to give you 102. And then let's do 11. 9,819 minus 7,589, 5 can't subtract, so you got to carry the 1 over. 15 minus 9, 6, then we got to carry this again, so 7 and 10, so 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8, yeah, 2, and then 7 minus 5, that's going to give you 2, and 2, so that's going to give you 2, you're going to get 2,226. Moving on, let's do some more problems. So, let's do number 2. So, Catherine needs to travel from town A to town C. If there are 4 routes from town A to town B, 5 routes from town B to town C, how many different routes are there? So this one's actually quite simple. All you gotta do is you gotta think of the amount of possibility, the amount of different routes that can be taken, and you can actually calculate this by actually just doing 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 is actually 20. So how many different routes? There are 20 different routes. Sorry, I'm writing very messy. Okay, moving on, I think we can do number 3. So at a tea party, there were 100 people made up of men, women, and children. Each man was given 3 sandwiches, each woman was given 2 sandwiches. As for the children, 1 sandwich was shared between two children, although the children got 35 sandwiches, how many men and women and were children were at the party of 100 were shared? And to actually calculate this, we actually gotta kind of think about this a bit. So how many men, women, and children were there? So let's calculate how many men there were. So since we know that 100 people made up of men and women were there, and then each man was given 3 sandwiches, and each one was given 2 sandwiches, that would mean we would have to, and altogether the children got 35 sandwiches. That would mean, and since it was shared by 2 people and the sandwich was given to each man, so that means we would have to do 5 times 3, which would give us 15. So that would give us 15 men, and then we'll do 25 times 2, which would give us 50 pieces. So all we're trying to do is we're just doing 15 divided by 3, and then 50 divided by 2, giving us 25. And then again, we would do 70 divided by 35, but we could just do 35 times 2, giving us 70. So we know that there are 5 men, 25 women, and 70 children. And that's it.